BLANGSINGA Waterfall is located in BLANGSINGA Tourism Village, Sabah Village, Gianyar Regency, and Bali Province. It's exactly at Jalan Raya BLANGSINGA. Approximately 5 km from Ubin. It is 14 km from Denpasar city or for about 40 minutes depending of the road traffic condition. The attraction of BLANGSINGA Waterfall. BLANGSINGA Waterfall is a paradise for tourists who want to escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. The rushing water falls from a height of 25 meters, and is collected as if to form a calm pool for swimming, soaking and relaxing. Beside that, in this place, tourists can relax on the rocks, sunbathe, or walk along the path to enjoy the beautiful scenery around this waterfall. Compared to other waterfalls in Bali, BLANGSINGA Waterfall is the largest waterfall. BLANGSINGA Waterfall also prepare facility. Parking. This large parking lot can accommodate dozens of buses and other small cars. And near the parking area, we provide a gazebo for resting. And to get to the waterfall, we provide a very good staircase. And visitors can see the view from this staircase. Beside that, in this place we provide a small shop that sells snacks and drinks. And don't forget to try your adrenaline because we also provide a swing. For visitors who just soak themselves, we also provide a swimming pool. BLANGSINGA Waterfall has 3 strategic and unique locations, namely, the first part is called the top of the waterfall. It's located on the edge of a river with several springs coming out of large boulders. Besides that, in this place we can see a special spring that comes out of a rock. Local people call it holy stone water. This water is used as a medicine for bone accidents. And around this place the scenery is very beautiful. The second part or in the middle, the atmosphere becomes more challenging. Visitors can sit on local cliffs while enjoying the flow of the waterfall down to the river bed. Most tourists choose this location to take photos because it is very close to waterfalls and cliffs. This beautiful view is also used by photographers for pre-wedding photo sessions. The third part, which is most strategically, it is located at the bottom of the river, namely the main waterfall. In this place, visitors can bathe, swim, and even sit and enjoy the beauty of this waterfall. And visitors can take photos with the waterfall as a background. have watched this video, maybe you will be interested to come here spending your time and vacation to enjoy the natural beauty of the BLANGSINGA waterfall. Welcome to BLANGSINGA waterfall.